Do you want to know how you can log in to your mysnhu account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One to Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your mysnhu.edu account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for mysnhu.edu login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official portal of Southern New Hampshire University. After a while, you can see that this page will load up and then you can log in to your SNHU account. Go ahead and click online or campus students, and then it will lead you to a separate link where you can log in using your university account or your personal account too. So wait for a while, go ahead and choose the account you want. So let's suppose I want to choose another account. I'll go ahead and enter my email address, press next, wait for a while, and then what we need to do is enter the password to our Gmail or Outlook or Hotmail account. So after writing your email address and your password, you can log in to your SNHU account and you can access the student portal as well. I hope this video about how you can log in to your mysnhu account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.